the new yeeps update just come out, and I am excited. So there's new buckling statues I watched. So it's like. Let's do the race.
Someone should buy the pack. I want a disco ball. I need to go become a squeaker.
Wait, bro, what's this say? What does this say? What does this say?
Wait, what?
Squeaker. You guys don't have to buy the disco pack. The pack. It sends a giant disco ball in the air. Do you possibly own them? 4. Wow.
Wait, is that a buckling statue?
Those items you have on you, sir.
Oh. No, alright, that's just like a barrier.
They're just floaties. Weird. Ooh, can I have a burger? Whoa.
Thank you. I don't know.
Bro, does anyone know where every buckwheat stash is in the new update?
Birdie be here.
40 seconds, that's it? I could beat the outpost race way faster now. No.
How much? Oh.
Yo, bro, I can make someone up without even talking to them.
Right. So what I'm gonna go like up there. So like, the order to like get up to that thing, they for sure.
Yeah, does anybody know the buckwheat stashes? I know all them. Can you show me?
What the? Alright, we're just gonna like use a block.
Alright, so the first 2 follow me. I
So,
already know one of them. All I need is 2 more.
if they're good, the goal way is to like put this like right there.
I thought there was 3.
Like put this like right there.
I thought there was one right here. This is not an official.
So if you try like, alright, so like,
Yes, there's one in here.
alright, so like what else?
This is actually quite
Alright.
Guys, there's one right here. Wait, I'm coming. I'm trying to get this one first. What happened? Next, follow me. Guys, come on. Let's keep going.
Oh,
Come over here. Come right here.
let's go, I found one.
Right. Surfboards are like
Oh,
sleds.
what the?
Whoa.
No, I need the book.
Oh, free
Did
surfboard.
anybody
Who's free
see?
surfboard? I found one. Where
All
are
right.
you?
Then clip your arm under here, and you'll see a button.
Oh, I see it.
Yes, build it. Build right here.
I see.
All right, you guys got that one. You guys. Ah!
Yeah, we got
Sorry, bro.
That's okay. I had to for the quest.
Buy this surf. And I have I got it. Nope.
That's really funny.
Over here. Whoop. There's another black light. Where's the other one? Can you show me, guys?
What is that? Got it.
Alright, shimmy your arm down and there's a button where we can push your arm against the wall. I see my box open right there. Bro. Can you hold my third floor so I was looking at it.
Yo, my guy.
Around this area. Mom, we're surfing.
You give it.
Got it. Bro, I got it. Hey, where'd you get it? I see. Alright, you guys know
Yeah, give
where
it.
now. That's the last one. It's hard to get. Don't blame me if you can't get it. Wait, where's all the buckling statues? Oh my god. No, I'm not doing this again.
Right.
Hey guys, stand fire.
No, bro.
Where the heck did it?
No, which area? Oh, bro. Which area did you say it was around? Which area? I kind of forgot.
Right here. Right over
Okay.
right here.
Oh.
You gotta shimmy your arm far though.
Yo.
Man, I can barely even get Man, I own So you wanna play
I
like
own
that,
Kelly
huh?
and I'm gonna hit you.
Guys, watch this. I'm gonna blow myself up.
Yeah, is there any zip lines in this water park?
Am I 800? Is there 800? Right, all of.
Guys, go down the slide. Go down the slide. Go down the pink slide.
Right. Wait, what is the secret over there? Oh, wait, that's the way you go.
On site.
You're all safe.
There's a picture of it.
Oh, that was insane.
Like around somewhere around like over here. Over right here somewhere. Who got that? Who just got that? Raise your hand, who just got that?
Used it.
Who just got that?
Move, guys, son.
Who just got that? Seriously, who just got that?
It might be in the corner, guys.
Who wants to watch me land a flip? I bet you I can land a flip.
It's right over there. Dude, I got it. It's right over, right here. It's right
Right,
here.
right.
Oh my god. You're getting up, bro. Oh, I didn't know.
What?
Oh, metal guy. Metal guy.
Now it's different one. Oh, great. Who's the goal? Who just threw a stick at me? You just did a candy water right on me. Huh? I don't want it. Got it. It's over here. It's over here.
You know, the lab. To do a lab, I think it's
I
something.
don't like
Oh, I got it. I was really getting it. You're dizzy. I love it about that.
Alright.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go buy a
Oh, tomorrow I'm gonna buy him the new sled.
So, I'm just gonna sleep.
Surfboard.
Does anybody have... Bro, where are you? Where's the guy who showed me the last one? Oh,
Where's the confetti gun, guys?
No. This is a new band item. That's sick. This is true right now. Dude, if I'm gonna fight this bomb detector and pull it okay.
Where's the confetti? Oh, there it is.
Alright, it goes and it takes it.
Alright.
Alright, that's fine.
Bro, what's the code? What's the code?
Dude, this is the banned item. This is the banned item.
I already had that.
Can I have a grappler?
Can I?
No, grappling hook is banned in this map.
Please tell me you're not joking. Is the grappler actually banned in this map?
Wait, can I see you? It would be unfair if these friends only, bro. Nah, bro.
Alright. I bought it.
Oh my god! There's a water slide.
Hey guys, who wants to eat quick the seaweed?
Where's the? Is there any buck coins?
Guys, can I tell? Hey, Shocky, can I tell you something? Can I tell you something, Captain?
Alright.
Do you wanna do like the yeeps hide and seek series? It's called the Salter.
I need to do a quest.
Does anyone know where any buckwheat statues are?
Guys, hey guys, who wants to do a seaweed? Hey, you, best friend me off. Best friend me off. You.
How does it do it for my quest?
Can I tell you something? I want to do a yeeps hide and seek seaweed.
Would you stop? No, I have to do it for my quest.
7. I got 3.57.
Dude, I have to do it for my quest. No.
I'm reporting.
No, dude, you can't do that. You're false reporting. I have to do it for my quest.
Yes, I can.
Oh,
Yes, I can.
false reporter!
I can.
False reporter! False reporter! We
Where
have
are
a false
you?
reporter. No, we have a false reporter.
I found a buck coin stash.
Let's Where?
He's false reporting me because I'm trying to do the snowball thing for my quest and he false reported.
Where are you?
Where are
you?
I'm right here. It's under there. It's up with that turtle. They added water park.
Who wants to know where the
Guys.
is?
Really?
Hey, you want me to do a yeeps hide and seek series?
I'll do it. No, I'm fine.
The yeeps hide and seek series is called the Salter. What's it is the Salter?
But I want another grappler. Do any of your friends own grapplers?
Hey, who wants to do a yeeps hide and seek series?
Nobody.
My fucking challenges. So now I'm pissed.
What's your name?
Because I'm trying to buy the creator pack.
The creator
If
pack?
I can't buy
You're
it, then
never
no
gonna
one
buy the
can.
creator pack.
Bro, did you set a request, Logan?
Who has the big map?
Bruh. Hey, who haven't I freeze?
I can't see anything.
I'm reporting.
Who haven't I freeze? I have to freeze like 10 feet.
No!
Yo, I like freeze bomb people. It's so funny. It's
You think I know?
I'll be right back, guys. What's up?
Yeah, leave.
I didn't do it. Why are you false reporting, bro? Why am I? What am I
Who said I reported, bro? Who said I reported you?
Dude, for drawing
Who said I
these at
reported
you.
Who said I reported you? Who said I reported you? How'd I report you? I was even over here the whole time.
Leave. No, I'm not gonna leave. Alright, the profit.
I'm not lying!
Oh yeah, you're trying to false report? Alright, bet. You're false reporting? No way, there's two false reporters.
Who said I
false
false
reporting
reported?
in the server.
When did the 8x8 water block come out?
Since all the water, the first
No,
part.
you false reported because I have to do it for my quest.
Since the first part of the beach update.
Who said I reported you?
Was it this
Oh,
update?
Dang, guys.
No.
How's the surfboard gonna act on
My
you?
brother is accusing me of buying it this update when I said I did it, and I said I bought it last update. He,
How am I supposed
Bro has a steamer
I know.
I'm not gay. I'm
But Animal Company?
I just got.
We're playing Animal Company. Animal Company? Well, the bananas are flying. Oh, they were loose. Alright, so...
My game, did they add anything? My game just updated.
Yo, they did
Look! 6 days! 6 days! It's first back to 6 days! Oh, I'm back to
I have 500
You update.
Zach, where?
Did I add something?
I got an extra buck.
Alright,
My money didn't reset.
so what up?
Over.
Oh yeah, my money next Thursday. It's next. No, monetization still has 9,000. Wait, let me check the Discord.
Yeah, go check the Discord. Wait, maybe you can find a new sneak peek. Maybe you can find a new...
Hey, you were doing code with me? You were doing code with me?
Oh shit.
Who wants to come the red, white, green light with me?
There's no update. I think we just had to reset the timer. That was a small update. That's why it must have crashed me. Shut up.
Oh.
Got fucked up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright guys, you know why I made it short, but it's for a video, guys.
I just joined the same exact code book.
Zach, I died. Okay. Who's Zach?
Cosmetic
I have a-
and booze.
I have a live bomb. Stay away from me.
BJV.